Now please open this.
This one, sir.
That transaction. No. Please go to that COIS.
CO. Okay. Yes.
Just a minute.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. Now please go into that COIS.
Yes, I'm inside COIS. Sir.
No. Go into that. Now we are in the
Into okay.
Okay. Now we have some created orders here. Okay. There are some orders created. There are some orders released. Now
Yes.
I want to release these orders collectively. Okay. There are some orders which are created. If they are in creation stage, we cannot execute the order. Only if it is in release stage, we can execute. This means we need to do the creation to release. Yesterday we did creation of individual order. How did we do?
We went to CO40, sir, and then we did, sir.
No.
40 and 40.
No. Yesterday there was a created orders. We converted it.
MD04, sir. MD04.
Before we went to the change, correct?
Yes, sir.
We went to the change production order, that is change icon. Then we converted one by one. If you do it, that's a problem. Or we can use CO02. If you use CO02 and give the production order, that also we can release. We'll try with this one transaction. Okay. Now put /o CO02 or use one more of the screens which are free screen. Take one of the screens.
Okay, sir.
Right here, put CO02, which is the change production order.
CO02.
CO02.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now let us take the production order. Go to the production order page, the COIS. In COIS, what is the created order? The third order you take, 285.
285.
Third order. Third one. Third one, yeah.
This one. Okay.
Take the 285. Go there to the CO02.
Control where? Control C. Okay. CO02 is the one. Yeah. Okay, sir. I copied.
So the chain. Now you can just release and save.
Okay.
See, the status is changing from doing releasing. System is saying the property center. Okay. Now you save this. See, the status already changed here. Created to released. Save this. Okay, an order is saved. Now go to the COIS. Okay. Is there any refresh button here?
Okay, refresh.
Now what you should do, there is one arrow mark on the left side.
Arrow mark, this one?
Click on it. See, now it is opening.
Wow. I did not know that was hidden. Okay.
Okay, so now there is no refresh button here.
Oh, no refresh, but still no refresh.
Okay, now go back. Now execute the transaction again. See, some transaction refresh will be there, something will not be there. Now the 285 is release status.
Yes, sir.
So this is one thing, like now one by one you can go and do that. Either you through MD04, use that element and change it and do it, or the CO02 is the same thing. From MD04, what you are doing through CO02, only the same thing. But one by one, if I do it, no, it will take a lot of time. So I want to do it collectively. So to do this is collectively, now go to the initial page, the menu path. Go to the menu path. Okay, go to the logistics production. Now we are in the production order, so you should go to where? You have to go to the shop floor. Okay, here control.
Control.
Okay, so here there is MD04. There is COHV. COHV is another very famous transaction for production people because we can do the collective processing, that is mass processing. There is a next transaction called COMAC, COMAC. That is the collective metal availability check. For example, I want to check the metal availability for each production order, that I can do. CO05N, it is the collective release. Now you can select the orders and release them collectively from here.
Okay, this one, sir. This is the one.
Wait. Then
Okay,
CO04N is the printing. For example, I want to print the orders collectively, that I can do. Like this, various options are there. If you want to do only release, you can use CO05N. Or I want to do some mass processing, different activities. You can go to COHV. Now go to COHV. Okay. See, this is like your COIS, various options are there.
Correct.
Okay. Now, what I do, I select MRP controller. No, maybe, yes. If you put the plant, then if you come to MRP control, that will be restricted. Okay. Right. Now, come here, come to the bottom. System status.
Yeah.
Now, what are we going to do? We are going to convert the created orders to the release orders. So what we select here, we want to see what are all the created orders.
F4.
Yeah, F4, correct. Yeah.
Yeah.
This one.
Created.
Okay, right. That's it. Now, as of now, let us do with this. Okay. Now, I have this plant. I have this MRP controller. I have this created orders. See, there is another tab there. You selected the parameters.
Yeah.
There is another tab called mass processing.
Yes, sir.
Click on it. Now, system is asking, what do you want to do? So here there is a function. The function open the options. What are the options there? As of now, it is showing no function. See here, various options are there. I want to schedule the order. I want to do costing. I want to do release. I want to print. So I can do print here. I can do shop floor here. I want to do metal checking. Anything I can do. So first, what are we trying to do now? Release. So select the release.
This one. Okay.
Okay. So it is telling execute. We have to do it immediately, or you want to process what? All these things it is asking. Okay. Also in the bottom, if you see function parameters, bottom. Release control order, release the order. That is what system is telling. Okay. Right. Order release. Let us have the option 1 itself. Okay. Now we selected the parameters. For example, in this plant, these are all the MRP controllers. These are the created orders I want to select. With these orders, what I want to do, I want to release the orders. This is what now we selected. So before executing the order, you need to check all these things. Your selection parameter, your mass processing parameters, all these things you need to check. Now these things, now we check. Okay. What you do now? Execute the transaction. Okay. So now you are getting the list. What are all the orders which are in created stage?
Okay. So you got S02 and 3. Yeah.
Getting these orders which are S02. Now let us select in IP one material select. Means that select line item. Yes. OP select one order. Right?
So it's only allowing me to select one at a time, sir.
It's not allowing mass.
It's not allowing to select more than one.
Then what is that? The left, the box, what is that? In the table, there is a left corner one. No, below that.
This one.
This one.
Okay. Now it's allowing.
Now maybe you deselect some of these things. Try to deselect. Bottom.
No, sir. So can I try with control once? Yes, I can do it. If I press control, sir, it's working.
Right. Maybe selection also. Can you try with the control?
Okay. Wait. Yeah, it's working with control, sir.
Okay. Then please
So
remove these
let
and
me do.
select the orders.
Yeah, okay, so
Select
this
only,
one.
only two.
This one. Okay, sir.
Okay. Right. Now we selected these two orders. Okay. Now we have to process it. So how do we process it? Don't do anything until I tell something.
Okay.
Go and select the mass processing in the menu.
Yes, sir.
Select execute. Okay. Then it is also showing some settings. What is the settings? Click on it. Okay. Whatever we selected there, no, it is showing here.
Yes, sir.
Just now we selected no the parameters to select. If you want to do something different here, even though after you did, you remember these things just now we selected.
Yes, yes. On the mass production tab.
Correct. Now to close this. And then the same thing you can see in the small icons. No? Below this mass processing, there are different icons. See here, bottom, below that. Below the mass processing order. What is that?
Okay.
Change object. Next is display object.
Display.
Next is environment. Next is so here you are having the options, no, that execute, settings, all these things are there, which means system is telling if you want you can execute it, and at the bottom portion is telling what are you going to do, release. See that release is automatically selected there.
Yeah.
All other things are disabled. Only release is enabled there, and it is telling you can execute. If you're practicing these things, no, then you can use F8. Select these orders, put F8, you can proceed. But now we are at the initial stage. Let us do these things one by one. So this release execution itself can be done in different ways. Okay. So now go to the mass processing in the top, the menu. Okay. Now execute. Wait. No, one by one system will give these kind of things. When you are even releasing, no, there it was telling these things, right? So it will give you the message for one by one to release the order. Now again, it is next.
Again, yeah. I click, sir.
Yes. See in the bottom, you see the message, order processing, two log created. So you want to see the log. So how do you see the log? Go to the mass processing again. Menu.
One second. It might be here, sir.
Menu.
No, Kani was saying something. Okay. Okay, menu. Mass processing.
Log of last MP.
Log of last MP. Okay.
Mass processing. MP means mass processing.
Mass. Okay.
Click on it. System is showing this log. Capacity check, availability check cannot be executed for capacity. Capacity on the it is not doing the availability check for the capacities. Okay, those things we'll see later. Okay, and then availability check cannot be executed for capacities. Start capacity availability check. Right now, only those things. So for the particular order, 286, no missing parts. 288 also no missing parts. Order is released. Order is released. So you know that no, what are the things done in this particular production order. Okay.
HV doesn't have any meaning, no, sir. Okay.
Which one?
This the transaction COHV.
Doesn't have any meaning. What are you telling here?
No, to remember the transactions.
To remember, he's asking to remember, sir.
Oh, you are telling the transaction. Okay. No.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Say that everything is like that. Yeah. Something, no. Even if I have something, it may be meaningless to you. So I'll leave it.
Okay.
You have your own terminology, then you remember it. Just I told that example for CS03. That's it. Okay. MM like that. Business partner is BP like that. You know, there are some transactions which you can remember, but if you are using them frequently, automatically you'll get these things. Okay.
Yeah,
So now,
I don't use this. Yeah. I don't use this transaction COHV, COIS because, as you said, it's
not using it. But in future, if you want to know, go and tell that I know production planning or PP module. You should have one system always with you, and you have to keep practicing.
I wouldn't have this permissions on my current system. I will try, sir, on Tuesday. To Monday's bank holiday for UK, So I will try on Tuesday if I have access to this transaction COOIS. I will try it out. I'll make a note.
No, maybe it may not be in your organization, it's required, but what I am telling you is having this test system itself, no, extend this for 3 months or 6 months.
Okay, sir.
Keep practicing it.
Okay.
If you don't practice, what I'm telling you, after 3 months or 2 months, you will forget everything what I told you.
I can actually I had when I was I think doing the SAP complete software, and I had downloaded it on my computer, but I have never used it. But I think after this course I will download that, and I will create all my master data and do all the practice. I hope I can do that. Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Okay,
But it is the old system, sir.
Okay, right. Now we know what is how to do the mass releasing of production order. Okay. Now we want to see the status of this order. How to confirm this?
How to?
I want to see the status. Now it is converted now. I moved this creation to release.
Yes, sir. So COOIS.
Okay, these are 286 and 288. Okay, 288 is there, 286 there. Both are created stage. Now I want to see them. What has happened to them? So what do you do?
I go back. Go back.
Then execute again. Come back and see that both are released. Okay. So now what the planner should do on daily basis? You should keep on checking what are all the. First of all, you should check. See how the practicality is applicable now. First, you should check what are all the planned orders which you open date in the past. So you have to convert them into production order. And then you have to check what are all the production orders which are created. Then you have to check what are all the production orders released. Then it is released means it is gone to the shop floor. The shop floor people have to take care of it. Okay.
So there's less than 1 minute, sir.
Okay. So this release orders will be taken care by the production people. Okay. We'll come back by another 2-3 minutes. Okay. Let me stop here.
Okay.